All right, guys, end of day. So look at that. We have our inlight lighting installed on our stairs. Still working on the grabbable handrail, but there's the bracket that holds the grabbable handrail, which is down there. Okay, so those clamp right onto the glass. So I kind of got sidetracked on a couple things and didn't quite get back to that today. But Dustin finished getting these in. He had to leave early because it's snowing where he is. So anyway, those turned out really nice. These are the Hive 22, the drdecks Dark Limited Edition Hive 22s. Yeah. All right, so got those rocking. Okay, here's my decision. We are going to have a piece of glass made because I was able to make the Regal Ideas glass clamps work with a piece of glass. This is simulating the glass. This is not the actual piece that's staying in here, but it gets me past my building inspection. So obviously that's temporary, but I think it'll look kind of cool when it's all done. Okay, over here, no leak. It's been raining pretty good today. You can kind of see how much water actually pools up here. Not a ton, but there's always going to be a little bit of water hanging out up here. So we got that handled. So we'll be able to install those boards back in and finish Cortexing up this line. And then we started installing the step, which was a little tricky, but we got it handled. We still have to drill a hole through there to get the wire in. We have to build the stair a little bit different than customary. We put the side fascia on already, okay? And we put the first board on. Now I gotta put a piece of fascia in front of that so that I can lay out and install all my LED lighting before I continue to finish laying the decking. It's a lot easier. I don't actually know how I would get it hooked up if I didn't do it this way. So, but there's no access from the back. So this is how we kind of have to do it. We have to kind of we deconstruct the staircase or the stair, and then we do it that way. All right. So that's where we're at. We'll keep on working on that tomorrow. See where we get. Hopefully we'll get that stair installed, the lights installed, this down rail installed. Nas has been working on some brackets. I'll probably make that a separate video tomorrow. All the stair glasses in, spaced accordingly. Nas, did you get all the brackets in today?
Half of them.
Half of them? Okay, so we got a couple more to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, so then we will we'll show you guys tomorrow how that, and those are lateral tension ties. So if there's an earthquake, we're actually tied into something solid in the house besides the belly board, and it keeps the deck from pulling away from the house. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Have a good night. Over and out.